Hey everyone, it's Serene from House of Yumm, and today we're gonna make this creamy avocado salsa. This salsa is possibly my all-time favorite thing. It's a combination of almost a guacamole meets salsa verde. It's perfect for putting on tacos, quesadillas, burritos, dipping chips into. It's even great as a salad dressing or drizzled over some zucchini noodles if you're looking for a fresher meal. The best part about this is it only takes about 5 minutes to make. And the main ingredient to this is tomatillos, which if you haven't used tomatillos before, they're little green tomatoes. You can find them in the markets, in the produce section. They're usually around where I find the jalapenos. You'll notice the tomatillos have a papery thin husk over them, so you'll want to remove that. And you'll feel that the tomatillos are pretty sticky, so you'll want to make sure you rinse them off also. The tomatillos that I have are a little on the small side, so while my recipe calls for 3 tomatillos, I'm going to use a little bit more today just because these ones are so small. We'll be creating just a little bit of heat with the salsa by adding in a jalapeno. We'll cut it apart and take the seeds out. If you want a little more heat, you can of course leave the seeds in. We'll add in some onion and some garlic, a good amount of cilantro, a squeeze of lime juice, salt, cumin, and of course the avocado. Blend it up until it is smooth. You'll notice that the salsa is pretty thick, so at this point you can add some more tomatillos if you want, or you can thin it out by adding some water, usually about 1/4 to 1/2 cup. And you're good to go. The salsa is done. So at this point, you can grab your favorite chips and dig in. Make sure you grab this and other easy recipes at houseofyumm.com.